What's up everyone, this is YouTubeKeN. I'm back with another video that I do not want to make. I have to make another Tesla service appointment because this passenger back window is not venting at all. The window still goes up whenever you close the door. If you open it, that's only if it's already closed like it is right now. Let me show you. Right now, as you can see, the window is up. It goes down whenever I open the door, and when I close it, it goes up as well. So when I want to vent my windows, all the windows vent like they're supposed to, besides that one right there. So that's the first issue. And the second issue is just my trunk. I don't know if I have any videos. I'll try to search for any of letting it down and hearing it latch on. So whenever the automatic close goes down, when it closes, I don't know how to explain it. When it does go down, it does something like that where it actually latches on. I think it still closes and the car doesn't say that it's open, but hey, it's under warranty, so I'm gonna get this mess fixed. What I'll do is show you a screenshot of actually venting the windows so you can kind of know what I'm talking about, and you'll see the front passenger window go down. I'll get my GoPro and show you all the sides as well. Okay, so we're in the Tesla app, and now I'm gonna go to controls, and then at the top left, I'm going to go to vent, and I'll turn on the GoPro and get that going. So you can see right here, did not go down. That one went down, and I'll show you on this side, these actually went down as well. So there's something wrong with that door. So what I'm gonna do now is actually close it. So I'm gonna hit that same button and hit close, and you'll see all the windows goes up, but the other one, there's nothing. And I'll show you that here. That one's back up. That one didn't do a dang thing. And all those are up as well. The car does not recognize that that back window is down, so I know it's something wrong with it. I'm gonna just let the window all the way down. That's down as far as it'll go. So now we'll go back to the Tesla app, and usually the Tesla app will show you if there are any windows open. So I'm gonna go here, and it don't show anything. But I'm gonna show you an example. I'm gonna open one window, and you'll see that that changes on the Tesla app. So I let that window all the way down, and as you can see, on the Tesla app, it says front passenger side window open. Nothing about this one. And I'll show you if it's multiple windows open, what it'll say. Now you can see on the Tesla app, it says some windows open. So it's not even reading this one when I have multiple open. So that's the issue on the first issue right there. That's the main issue of this video. The trunk, I mean, I think it's okay. I can try to get it to work where it will make the sound, and then it's not gonna make the sound. Most of the time it does not make the sound. All right, so let's see here. So I'm gonna open it. I mean, it goes up just fine, and I'm gonna try to close it and see. Nothing, it just closes. Hey, really quick everyone, I just wanted to interrupt this video while I'm editing this video that you're looking at right now. I did find some footage of hearing that sound of that trunk latching. Bah. Stay tuned if you definitely want to see just a service appointment. I tried to do it the best way I could with blocking my personal information. And like I said, there's really no issue with the car, but I just wanted to make this video for you all. If you're having that issue, just share my Tesla journey. It's not a big deal. I knew I was gonna run into some problems when I bought the car. Thank you all for watching. Like this video. Leave a comment if you're having any issues with your Tesla, or if you have any questions, you want to see anything else that I did not cover in this video. And subscribe to my channel if you see fit. This is YouTubeKeN. I'll see you in the next video.